Good morning, Lily. Thank you for coming in today. So, tell me about yourself.
I... I'm sorry. I don't know where to start.
Take your time. There's no rush.
I'm Lily. I've been working in customer service for 3 years. I love helping people, and I'm really good at staying calm when things get difficult.
That's exactly what we're looking for. Can you tell me about a difficult situation you handled well?
Yes. Once, a very angry customer called us. Instead of getting defensive, I listened to everything he said first. Then I apologized, and I offered a real solution. By the end of the call, he actually thanked me.
That shows real emotional intelligence. Why do you want this job, Lily?
Because I don't just want a job. I want to grow. I want to be in a place where my work actually matters.
I think it's safe to say you've got this.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lily, he ended it. Just like that. No explanation. He just said it wasn't working anymore.
Oh, Sarah, I'm so sorry. Where are you right now?
I'm at home. I've been crying for 2 hours. I feel so stupid.
Don't say that. You are not stupid. You loved someone. That's never stupid.
But why wasn't I enough?
Listen to me. This is not about being enough. You are more than enough. He just couldn't see what was right in front of him.
How do you always know what to say?
Because I know you. And I know how incredible you are. Even when you can't see it yourself. I don't know how to stop hurting. You don't have to stop hurting tonight. Just feel it. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Thank you for always being there.
Always.
Mom, I need to tell you something. And I need you to really listen before you say anything.
You're scaring me, Lily. What is it?
I've been offered a job in Canada. It's everything I've been working towards.
Canada?
Yes,
When would you go?
next month.
I always knew this day would come. I wasn't ready for it to be so soon.
I'm not leaving you, Mom. I could never leave you. I'm just going further away for a while.
You are going to do great things, my love. I know it.
I'm going to miss you every single day.
Me too, sweetheart. Me too.
Lily, the Henderson report was late. Again. This is becoming a pattern.
With respect, the Henderson report was delayed because I was waiting for data from the finance team. I sent you an email about that on Tuesday.
I may not have seen that.
I understand, but I want to be honest with you. This is not the first time my work has been questioned without all of the facts, and I think that's not fair.
What exactly are you saying, Lily?
I'm saying that I work very hard. I care deeply about this job, and I deserve to be treated with the same respect I give everyone here.
You're right. I should have checked the facts. I apologize.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You look like someone who has the weight of the world on her shoulders.
Sorry?
I'm George. I sit on this bench every Tuesday, and I've learned to tell the difference between someone resting and someone worrying.
Is it that obvious?
Only to someone who used to do the same thing.
I have so much to do, and I never feel like I'm doing enough.
I felt that way for 30 years. Always running, always chasing. Do you know what I regret most?
What?
Not sitting on more benches.
That's actually really good advice.
I'm full of them. I've had 81 years to collect them.
I never actually stop and look at things anymore.
Then stop. Right now. Just for a moment.
Thank you, George. I think I needed this.
Come back next Tuesday. I'll be here.
I will.